Rabble show. I got chat to them and make them chat for it.
Rabble Rabble, you don't know say the one and only National Rabble Danger, and on this platform we do things different.
We are the family of Sakile Stewart.
That recently passed away at this hospital, that is Noel Holmes Hospital in Lucea. It's only one word, negligence. That's the reason for this. And it's not just one, it's two. My first child and my baby mother, so I not even get a chance to try again. Try to get the next week, because we lose both of them one time because of the negligence of the nurse and doctors that are here. They call us for a meeting. They call us for a meeting today. They don't have enough information for us. So it's just like they're just sending their condolence to us, because not providing any information is no comfort or no. It's just not enough for us to even know what really happened. She not sick. We don't know her being sick. And right through the pregnancy, she was not sick. She wasn't, her due date is the 12th of next month. She came on a regular visit to the doctor, just a regular clinic check, and her pressure was high, and that's the reason for her being admitted
on Thursday.
I thought that it was going to be a case in which she's going to get treatment and be discharged because she's 2 weeks away from her delivery date. That was not the case. Saturday, a lady that was also admitted passed and heard the doctors or nurses saying that they're going to induce her and give her that information. She then called me and said, they ain't go induce me Monday, but me not sure because I want girl pass and tell me. I must say, all right, confirm me from them if something goes off with you. Then they did provide information that they will induce her on Monday, because the baby is the reason why the pressure keep going up. It's not going to come down, so they cannot discharge her. They gave her a paper to sign. She sent me a voice note that she signed a paper and she do not know what the paper was for. She then tell me that she asked our nurse and them tell her say
it's for medication.
No, she tell me said the paper is for induce.
Yes.
Which they give me a medication that
a prescription.
I went to 5 pharmacy. They are not giving me any information about this prescription. Neither they do not sell this prescription in Lucea.
This is not selling Lucea. This is what they use to induce.
Is this?
So if they use half or one at the hospital, they give this to you and then you will allow to buy all 6 and replace the one or the half that they use on her. She wasn't in any labor when she passed. Wasn't in any labor.
She didn't die in labor. And died because of negligence, as I said.
From after, she wasn't in labor.
Because when I visited her at 2 o'clock, she was doing quite hard.
All right. She was complaining after 3. Yeah, she was on the ward. After 3,
she started complaining
about the shortness of breath.
And her brother has conversation of talking to her while she's telling the doctors that she can't breathe if she can be moved to Sabra.
They said no. They said after that, she coughed blood, and after coughing blood, it just happened like that. She just passed.
In the blink of an eye.
Yes, in the blink of an eye. That was the word the man used. In the blink of an eye, she just passed. So I don't understand. After coughing this minute, in next minute, what happened to the ambulance? So probably she and then the baby suffer inside of her and then to the of the child. They don't have a gynecologist here to do a C-section. That is what I said to them. You are trying to induce her. She made complications and you don't have the doctors that can do a C-section. Who to say that the child passed along with the mother at the same time? Nobody can say that. Justice. We don't want nothing from them. Too much of this happening up here. From your girl till now you want tell me say they can't have proper facilities that told my mother not to allow me to come here. I can't believe I make this sketch me with my first grand picnic. Any mother. Me know say up here so I those and I cannot believe I allow this. I cannot believe I allow this, and this is not a cost of money. This is not a cost of money while she's here. It is not the cost of money. Not the cost of money. One of the girls in the room said she was there and reached problem and nobody was there to attend to her. They found her dead. How did you know after finding her that the baby was dead? also. You didn't even try. When they call me to look at her, they already wrap her in body bag and tag her up because a dog. It has to stop, man.
We need answers to know what really happened. That is what we are not.
And they are saying they don't have any information. So why did they call a meeting this morning? Why did they call a meeting this morning? You call a meeting this morning and say you don't have as much information. Why did you call it? It took you 7 days. She's a patient here.
From Thursday.
You only don't have information for people who just run in. She is a patient here from Thursday. Is a patient from Thursday. So she have to have records here. Records should be here. I should be hearing something. I should be hearing something. I should be getting answers. If you don't want to work, leave it. Not because you're educated, you think you should turn nurse or turn doctor. Do something else. Do what you love. Left government money. I'm tired of it now. Tired of it now.
We were asking them, so she passed. Why is it that they couldn't save the baby? The doctor said to us that there is no doctor there to do a C-section, and no one wants to do a C-section and is responsible for a death.
It's gonna continue. It's gonna continue. They must be better. They need to put a proper doctor here to assist with C-section, assist with something else. That is what I'm asking for other mothers. I have 2 other children coming up. I have also young friends for my son, and we need proper doctor here to help to assist them. We need proper doctor to assist young persons coming here to have babies. I am 44 years old and I heard about Lucea Hospital. A doctor is not here to do a surgery. If you are hearing any problem, they tell you they call doctor. Just because doctor tell them they are on break, they don't call. If you should go and find the doctor, doctor said they did not get any phone call from them. I came here with high blood pressure and they give me injection, and if the doctor did not come, I would not get a bed and I almost had a stroke. 215 over 119. And if the doctor did not come, I would not get a bed. I came here with my son with asthma and the nurse barring me, and I have to use brute force and step past them and go and sit where the nebulizer is for him to get treatment. What are they doing over there? What are they doing over there? Christopher Toscan, you need to come and check Lucea Hospital. This is too much for the persons of Hanover. We are tired of it. I would never know that this would walk at my doorway after I know that this wasn't the place for them. I am tired of it. I am tired of it. They are not educated more than me. I go to Rossi's high school. I choose to do what I choose to do after leaving school. They need to stop. That take us for idiot. That take Lucy people for idiot. We tear down now. Find righted doctor put here. The help when we come. We need help. We are not guinea pig. We are not guinea pig. We are not guinea pig. We want help. We want help. We want help for Lucy Hanover. Christopher Toscan, step in. We don't let you do. Step in with the help of God. We need help in a Lucy, man.
Rabble Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabble.